Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my page. My name is Mone't. I do motivational cleaning videos, hair videos, and mom vlogs. So I'm just showing you that I slicked my hair back, and here is the unit. This is a 10A Virgin Straight 22-inch 13x4 lace front wig. It's 150% density, and I've already plucked and I applied my lace tint. I didn't pluck too much. And I got out some baby hairs so that it'll be easy, you know, to spray in between there and melt the lace honey. It comes with adjustable straps, and 3 comes in the front and 3 in the back. And you can see where I sprayed my lace tint spray. I'm just hooking it on the last one, not too close to the nape of my head, all the way. It's the one that's furthest from the nape of my head, if that makes sense. Because I do have a big head, so this wig is big head friendly. It fit perfectly. So now I'm just going to adjust it to how I want it to lay. And honey, yes, just yes, okay. I already applied my wax stick and hot combed it before this video, but I'm just showing you guys how flowy the hair is still. And I didn't OD on the wax stick like I usually do, because I was on the verge of doing that, but then I had to stop myself. But this wig is so pretty and laid, honey, okay. So all I'm going to do now is just slick my hair back so I can see what I'm doing, and apply my Got To Be Glue spray and lay this baby down with my blow dryer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the boat all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna ride the boat all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna ride the
deep inside, I still want you. What we've been through, I miss you. And you
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise to fall love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, back so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you don't end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.